Fish burger recipe. Fresh fish fillets, for example, cod or haddock. Eggs, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, capers. Chives, salt and cayenne pepper, brioche buns, processed cheese. Lettuce, tomato, cheese, baked fish fillets, and pickles. 1. Combine fish, eggs, mayo, breadcrumbs, capers, chives, salt, and cayenne pepper. 2. Form into patties and refrigerate. 3. Heat oil in a skillet and cook the patties until golden brown. 1. Spread lemon garlic aioli on burger buns. 2. Layer lettuce, tomato, cheese, baked fish fillets, and pickles. 3. Assemble and enjoy. Feel free to choose the one that tempts your taste buds the most. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget to check out the description.